July 3rd, 9:38 p.m. My name is Chen Qian Lam. I started Xcoding since 2013. I am happy to share some of the new exciting stuff from iOS 9.0 which make iOS developer life easier. This is an tutorial on Xcode. It is to teach you the basic on AutoLayout on iOS 9.0. When I said basic, I literally mean it. It is the most fundamental skill you need to know when you are designing app for all kind of devices ranging from iPhone to iPad Pro. Once you learn how to use AutoLayout, your life will be so simple. You will not need to deal with screen layout on each device anymore. You can now focus on your logic of your app design and deal with one storyboard. The best way to learn is to learn from an real app that is released on iOS and a live example. Since I am the creator of this app, which is now on Apple Store, I have the right to share the code with everyone. After all, the earth is not mine, it is ours. Together we make it better. I hope you guys will like it. Hope to share more stuff with you all. Here you go. Go to your Xcode, open your project, open your storyboard. Go to your layout for your design. Notice that the storyboard initial layout is targeted at iPhone 4 with 3.5-inch screen. Now compile your code and run it on simulator. Notice that the layout appeared fine in iPhone 4. Now click on the layout on different devices by selecting the layout on iPhone 6. Notice the layout is not correct. It is still appear as layout of iPhone 4, leaving lots of space at the right and bottom corner. Notice that the start button is supposed to lay out in the center bottom of the screen on any devices. Before you perform all the above steps, you need to enable the Auto Layout checkbox and Size Class checkbox. To make the Start button to stay in the center bottom of any screen of devices, may it be iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPad or iPad Pro, all you need to do is to set up an constraint on the button sitting on that layout you started with. There are two ways to make the button center. One is to set up an alignment constraint as shown. The other way is to set up the relative location of the button from neighbor objects such as URL, view boundary, and etc. I find it more convenient and effective to use alignment method when I want to alignment my button in the center on x-axis as shown. I will then combine the relative location constraint method by setting up the button on y-axis by clicking the bottom relative distance to the bottom of the view, which is equal to 0 as shown. Let's test the constraint by changing the layout to iPhone 6 as shown. You can see that the button is now in the center bottom of the screen. Switch to iPad Pro. You can see the button follow the layout constraint. If you are still following, congratulations, you are now officially trained in AutoLayout in iOS 9.0. Your iOS developer life is now easier. If you like my video, please subscribe for more and I will try to make more video to share with you guys. Happy Xcoding, my friends.